Hi everyone, my name is Maggie and I'm going to teach you guys about mod. Mod is a really useful function in MATLAB and other programming languages that helps us solve cyclical problems. So here are some definitions of mod that you may have seen before. The top is just the technical definition. We're not going to go much into it because I don't find it very helpful or intuitive, but if you like math, there's an equation for you. And you may have also heard of mod as the remainder of a divided by b. However, this is only true if a is positive, and it's not the most accurate way to think of mod. But anyways, I showed you an example of the remainder definition of mod here. So if we have 3 friends who are splitting a strawberry cheesecake that's cut into 8 slices, then we can use mod 8 by 3 to find out how many slices are left after each friend has taken an equal share. So we know we have 8 slices, we can divide it by 3 friends, and each friend will get 2 slices. Then we'll have 2 slices remaining. So mod 8 by 3 is 2. I prefer to think of mod in more of a cyclical fashion. For example, a clock or the months of the year. In a clock, you can find out what is 3 hours after 12 by starting from 12 and counting up 3, right? And you can also go backwards, say like, what's 5 hours before 3? Well, you can count backwards, say, okay, 1 hour before 3 is 2, then 1, then 12, and 11, and 10 o'clock was 5 hours before 3. So let's look at how to actually calculate this on a test, or if you want to practice by hand, or just get a deeper understanding of what mod actually is. So first, you're going to write the numbers from 0 to b minus 1 in a circle, and I drew that in green. So if we're doing mod 8 by 3, which is the example we visited earlier, we're going to start with 0 and go to 2, which is 3 minus 1. Then we're going to have to determine the direction to move in. So if a is positive, which is the case here, we're going to move clockwise. So I just drew a little clockwise arrow. And then starting at 0, we're going to hop a number of times. So we're going to start at 0 and hop 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we land at 2. So we know that 2 is the answer to mod 8 by 3. You can also go backwards if you have a negative a value, like this example here, where a is negative 5. So the first step is going to be the same no matter what the value of a is. So we're going to write the numbers out from 0 to 3, and this will always go clockwise, no matter whether a is positive or negative. So make sure you keep that in mind. Then we have to find out the direction that we actually move in. So a is negative, which means we're going to be moving counterclockwise. So I just drew a little counterclockwise arrow. Then we start at 0 and hop 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we land at 3. So we know that mod of negative 5 by 4 is 3. And notice that this isn't the same as taking the remainder of 5 divided by 4, because that would be 1, and you would get the answer wrong in that case. Also note that we're only going to be using positive values of b for this class, so you don't have to worry about if that's positive or negative. That's about it for covering concepts of mod. I encourage you to practice this, maybe come up with some numbers and draw the little circles and then test it in MATLAB to see if you got the right answer. And I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment if it was helpful or if you have any suggestions. This is the first time we've really made like a video like this, so let us know if you would like to see more videos on kind of challenging topics in future units. Thanks, guys!